All right, we're going to start the installation of the Dudu7. I have already removed the battery contacts on the negative to remove any power from the vehicle to avoid any shortage. So the first step is you're going to use these tools to basically clip out the plastic retainers on the Subaru. And basically what you're seeing is it has 4 clips, and that's all you have to do to get access to the bottom of this unit. Then you have a couple of screws, Phillips screws that you can just remove, and that let you get access to the air conditioning control unit. Once you get that out, you can actually pull this unit out. There you go. Just be careful because there is a cable in the back that you don't want to jank out. Use a tool here to get some leverage. There we go. And there is the power cable to the AC unit. Now this one, same thing, is held by clips. Same thing, there's a little cable in the back. Just gotta be careful not to jank it. It's held by a clip. And then we have access to the main unit. And all we have to remove is the screws. And now that you have removed 4 screws, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom, you can proceed to carefully pull these back. A little bit tight, but I was able to get it out, as you can see. And now we can remove the power connectors in the back. I'm gonna cut here so that I might get a different angle to let you see what you have behind it. I'll be right back. So I switched to the passenger side just to give you an idea of the cables that you have in the back of the unit. I'm holding it with one hand and bringing the camera in for close-up. Basically, you're gonna hold it with one hand, and with the other hand, you're going to start carefully unplugging all those cables until you're able to pull the unit out. So I'll be back once I'm completed with that. What I would recommend is use some of those same tools that I use to remove the trim, to basically insert it in those clips and use leverage to pull them out carefully. For those that are hard on your hands, you can use a very tiny plastic tip, push it in and pull it out. I'll get it all unhooked and come back once it's out of the vehicle.